TikTok will pay you $120 to promote their brand new feature, TikTok Shops. Now, not only is it gonna benefit you monetarily wise, it is also going to explode your social media page, because when TikTok rolls out a new feature, they push it to everyone. So in this video, I'm gonna get you paid. Hello everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to Getting Social with Nick. Now on this YouTube channel, we go over absolutely everything that has to deal with social media. Now, if you have any questions on any of my videos or you need a consultation, hit me up in the email, I got you. All right, let's get back to the program. Now, TikTok just rolled out to the masses a brand new feature called TikTok Shop. Now, it is a brand new feature that allows creators and companies to sell their products on TikTok and easily on TikTok by having those little clickable banners. So not only can you buy products directly from TikTok, but you can sell yours or other people's products directly on the platform. And when you sell other people's products, they give you commission. Now, pretty much every platform has like a referral fee. Like Amazon, they give you a cut if you send people to their website. Best Buy, Target, like they all have referral fees. So when they click on the product that you're promoting, they buy it, you get a cut. And that cut can range from a few cents to the highest that I've seen is about $50 in commission. So that is the new feature. Now let's get you paid. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up TikTok. You're gonna go to your profile, and then you're gonna click the top three bars in the corner, and then you're gonna click Creator Tools. Now, once you do that, you could scroll all the way down to the bottom. It says TikTok Shop for Creators. Now, I already did this, so I'm just gonna show you a quick screenshot, but there's two criteria that you're gonna need. Now, the first criteria is to have over 5,000 followers on TikTok, and then also to be 18 years old. Then you click apply, and then within like 15 seconds, you get approved. And then it is really simple to start earning commissions and selling products. Step one is you just create a commission account, which essentially is just giving them your details so they can send you the money. And then two, you add your products to your showcase. And then once you're approved and ready to go, they will give you $120 in coupon credit for anything on their platform. So with that, they will give you 4 coupons. You will get 2 $50 off coupons and then 2 $10 shipping credits, which total up $120. So it's not cash in your pocket, but you get free products, which you could sell later. You could do whatever you want with them. And all you have to do, post a video with that product visible in that video, or you could do a live that contains the product link. Those are the only 2 things. So you are officially getting paid as a creator. How cool is that? All right, so for me, I'm gonna buy some pillow slippers, and then I am also gonna get the Netflix and chill candle. So my total is $50.99. And when I type in the coupon, as you can see right there, I get $50 off. Fantastic. And it is that simple for you to get paid $120 from TikTok. Now, there is an expiration date, which for me is June 29th. So make sure to do this before June 29th. All right, and that is it. It is that simple to get paid $120 from TikTok. And yeah, if you have any questions on anything that I said, hit me up in the email or just drop a comment. I will get to everything. And again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.